right here, I'll scroll through the slides. Hopefully everybody can see the slides and you can tell us what you chose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so mine is called Ho Chunk Nation.
Ah. Everybody say that together with me. Say Ho Chunk.
Ho Chunk.
There you go. I got one. Everybody else say Ho Chunk.
Ho Chong.
There we go. And one more time, almost everybody. Come on, guys. Ho Chunk.
Ho Chong.
All right, so Nali, tell me about the Ho Chunk. Tell me a bit about what you found out.
Okay, so Ho Chunk, they speak Hoke Hoke or Winnebago. Winnebago,
Oh,
alright? And then they are currently, right now, they have 6,563 Ho Chunk tribal members in Wisconsin. Yeah, and they came to Wisconsin between 800 and 1800. The religion name is Peyote religions, people of big voice, yeah. And their claim is bear claim and eagle claim.
interesting. So they don't have like 5 or 6 clans. They only have the 2 clans.
They have a lot, but I just like
Okay.
grab two of them. Yeah, they have too much.
Because it looks like it. I mean, it looks like even on their seal, they only have a bear
Yeah.
and an eagle. So I'm guessing they probably only have those 2 major clans, and then much smaller clans below
Yeah,
that.
this is the major clan.
Okay. And I like that they speak Winnebago. Winnebago, actually, if you go south, if you go towards Oshkosh and Appleton, Lake Winnebago is down there. So that's actually named for that tribe. And I like that. How do you pronounce this again? Say it for me again. I like the way you said that.
Okay, okay.
Hoke Hoke. I like that sound. That sounds like it's probably right? That sounds like I like the way you pronounce
Okay,
that.
wait. Oh, yeah.
All right. All right. So it looks like, let's see.
So it was the map.
Hmm.
As you guys can see, like the blue over there, like the little part over there, it's kind of like whole chunk
And
reservation.
which part of Wisconsin is this? If we were to give directions to that, which part of Wisconsin is that?
So you go to south and then like east south.
Close, south, the other way.
East. Oh, Mr. T, you call this
Uh,
one. I don't say.
So I would say probably southwest, right? Kind of southwest area.
In
Because
this,
southeast would be over here, but yeah, southwest. Okay,
yeah. Right.
perfect.
Okay, and this is before the tribalship. They have like two major group. Like one, they're gonna listen advice from like the adult people, and they're gonna fix the wallet culture. And for the second one, it's kind of like the policemen. They're gonna taking care of the people who going hunt and going out at night, like take like a security guard.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't put this one in your writing.
So
Put
don't
this.
put this one because this is the before, right? Before
Yeah.
the old tribal stuff. This is before, but this is good information. I told Nali that she can keep it because I like that we're getting some earlier information. Okay.
Hmm. So this the one you should put in the worksheet. Is a executive branch and judicial branch and legislative branch. This one is three important like for this tribe, and the other tribe they didn't have it. So that's the reason I put it in there.
Yeah, and I think like the Menominee tribe, it's interesting because each tribe does it differently, and they have something more similar to the Menominee tribe. It looks like,
Yeah.
so that's cool.
And this is the clothes, like a pictures of traditional clothing. That's where the way they wear.
Okay,
It's really
perfect.
beautiful.
Yeah, I think so. Again, still looks a little different from the others, right? We see that it's looks heavier a little bit, still long, very long clothing.
And see that they have like the like a chicken like
Oh,
in
like
the
the feathers?
yeah.
Yeah, like the feathers on the top, kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the last one. The famous people from tribe, his name John Grandier. He is the
Hmm.
president of Ho Chunk Nation, and he's really popular. Like he used to meet Barack Obama once.
Okay, you met
Yeah,
Barack Obama. That's cool.
yeah. He's like, yeah, and that's it.
Okay, so that's perfect. Yeah, and I like that we I like how you kind of put it together, Nali. Very good job. Okay, so hopefully we got some of that information down from other folks. If not, we'll have this video. This will be a shorter video, hopefully, where you can watch them. All right. Now let's see who wants to try next. We got a couple people here. Anybody? Anybody? Cheetah, Yalian, Hector, Groven. Anybody want to jump in and do their presentation quick? Anyone? I'm looking. I see. Let's see. Oh, I see. Because Cheetah's working on hers. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. And some other folks not finished with it so much. Okay, so here's the deal then. We're going to adjust and kind of modify this right now. And Nali, I liked yours. Thank you so much for doing that for us.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the lesson real quick. We have about 10 minutes left. I see some people who did not get their assignment done. They did not finish their presentations. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. What happened? What happened?
Mr. T, is that mean I get an A for class?
That means you'll probably, for this assignment, I think we can talk about your grade in private probably to figure that out. But I like your presentation. Now, since people are not done, we're going to have to adjust a little bit because we need to be able to present this to other students and have them get the information for their worksheet that we shared, right? Okay, so because we have the Menominee tribe, if we didn't get Nali's, hers was the Ho Chunk tribe. Ah, right there, the Ho Chunk tribe. I know that Yalian had the Lac de Flambeau. And Cheetah had the Brotherton. And then I believe that Hector had the Forest County Potawatomi. Oopsie. Okay, so our assignment then, and Nali, you can take your 10 minutes and maybe do this really quickly, is I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Am I sharing my screen there? I'm sharing this screen, aren't I? Yes, I'm sharing that screen. So I just highlighted this. So if you guys go into Google Classroom, and you might be able to see mine, I'll post this too so you guys can see the tribes that we are doing. But since people are not done, they'll have to do their presentation. They can't present to the whole class, but they'll do their presentation another way. So what we'll do is we'll modify this a bit. And I will go to, excuse me. I will modify this just a bit for instructions. We're going to change the expectation here. I want you, since you can't present in class because people are not done, this weekend then, that means today, tomorrow, by Monday, you need to record a WeVideo presentation. and submit to Google Class to this assignment. And I'll add a document here that you guys can put your videos links on. Okay. I'll add a document on here that you can add your links to. If you don't know how to use WeVideo, if you don't know how to use WeVideo, this is WeVideo right here. It's wevideo.com. Let me see if I can. I'm going to log out to show you how you'd log into it. So when you come to wevideo.com, you want to click on sign in with Google, and you will sign in with your school account, your Green Bay student account here. And then what you're going to do is a recording. Okay? You're going to record your screen. So you're going to have your slides up, your finished, completed slides up on the screen, and you're going to present and record the screen. And then it's going to ask you what microphone you want to use. You're going to say next and next and use your microphone, use your screen. And then it will ask you, you can do a tab. Like I could do the tab that I have my project on here. So I could do this. Or I could just do my whole window and then just move my screen over. Or you can just do your entire screen and just bring up the presentation on your screen. Okay? And once you do this, you're going to click on that screen, just like we do with Google Classroom, share it. Okay? And now that it's sharing the screen, I can go to my presentation. Since it's sharing the screen here, I'm going to go to here, share this, and then go through my slides and present them to you guys. Then once I'm done, I'm going to stop sharing with WeVideo. Click on the stop sharing button. And then I'm going to come back to WeVideo, and my video is going to load. I need to click save. And it will take a few minutes to save the video that I record. And it doesn't need to be really long. It's just you presenting your information orally. And now you see it's saved, it's done. Once it's done, I can come up to finish, and you see it down here. I click finish, and I'll say the name is Native American Presentation. And then it comes to this screen. I'm going to say, yes, I want to export it as a video. And I click down here and export. And once I do that, it will bring out a video to WeVideo for me. You see it's there. It's going to take about 20 seconds or so for this one since it's a short video. It will also send you an email to your Gmail for this. That's going to take about a minute. It's telling me how long it'll take right there. Oh, it's all done. Finished. Once it's done, I can take this link and I can share it. And I'll put a place for you to share your video on your Google Classroom assignment after this. Okay? So if you don't know how to reach this, again, this video will be posted in Google Classroom, so you can watch it again if you're confused at how to access this. You can also send me a message, or Mr. Carlos or somebody a message to find out how to do this. But because people were not done, we're going to have you record your presentation so other people can watch them and complete their assignment. Okay? Any questions?
I don't have to do it, right?
Nali, you're good, yeah, because we have your presentation saved on this video. So you're good.
Okay.
Okay, other people questions?